Hi friends, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my channel Count Your Blessings. Today I'm going to share with you 5 easy ways to reuse an old Ferrero Rocher tray. These are the trays. I have actually 3 of them. And the first way is to sort out small items. So when you're doing a craft project or a project that involves beads and small items and you don't want them to get mixed or lost, you can put them in these small containers and keep them safe. The next one is you can use it to store your office supplies. You can use it is to corral all your office supplies. Some board pins and some paper clips and your rubber and your sharpener. The third idea is hang it up as wall decor. Simple and elegant wall decor. The third way is you can hang it up like this and use it to organize your jewelry. It keeps your small pieces together. You can also wrap some ribbon or washi tape around it to cover this name if you don't want to see it. And the fifth way is to use it as a memo or reminder board. That's it. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. Until next time, take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Smile, Jesus loves you.